So solving linear inequalities. So the question says solve the 7 minus 2x is more than 1 and show your answer on a numbered line. So you have to write the expression itself firstly. The 7 minus 2x is more than 1. So let's add 2x to both sides, and actually the adding the same thing to both sides will not change anything. So 2x plus 7 and plus 2x. So 2x and here the 2x will cancel each other because it gives a 0. It gives 0. So 7 is more than 1 plus 2x. So then we have to subtract the 1 from the both sides actually. Minus 1 plus 7 and minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 1 we cancel down, they give 0. And minus 1 and plus 7 is equal to 6. 6 is more than 2x. Now we have to divide both sides by 2. So 2 and 2 here also. So 3 more than x would be our answer. The answer is 6. 3 and more than x. Or we can just write it like x is less than 3. And there is not any difference. You can write either one. Which one do you want? So actually we did the first part. We already solved it, and now we have to show it on a number line. Okay, so here we know the answer is x is less than 3. So let's draw a number line. From here to here we have a number line. Oh, let me drive it more straight here. So let's say it's 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5 is enough. So -1, -2, -3, and -4. So our point is saying it's less than 3, and we are not including 3, which means we have to put a point itself without coloring it like this. And the less than 0 means this left side, and then you have to put the left side arrow. So that's it, and that's it. And this is showing on a numbering line. This will be the end of this problem. So the next one, solve for x plus 1 is less than or equal 4 minus 2x plus 3, and we have to show it on a number line again. So 4x plus 1 is less than or equal to 4 minus 2 the brackets x plus 3. So firstly you have to expand the brackets. Actually we know this, it's simple group. 4x plus 4 is less than 4 minus 2x minus 6. So and then 4x plus 4 is less than, so minus 2 minus 2x. 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. So now we have to add the 2x to both sides because I want to leave only one x, only one side. So add the 2x to both sides. So 2x plus 4x plus 4 is less than or equal to minus 2 minus 2x plus 2x. So these two give us 0. And 2x plus 4 is equal to 6x plus 4 is less than or equal to -2. So we have to subtract the 4 here. So -4 plus 4x and minus 4 as well. So here the answer will be these two cancel out and they give 6x itself is less than or equal to negative 6. So now we have to divide both sides by 6. And so let's say 6 and 6. So the answer will be the 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. So x itself is less than or equal to, and negative 6 over 6 is equal to negative 1. So the x is less than or equal to negative 1. So we have to show it on a number line, which means we have to draw the same thing again, but it's less than negative 1. So here I have a line, and it says the x is less than or equal to negative 1. So we have the 0 here, we have the negative, the positive 1 here, and here the positive 2. And we have negative 1 there, and the negative 2. Actually, this should have, this itself is not ending. So then our point is here on negative 1. So it says it's equal or less than, right? So which means we have to color it like this. And it's less than, so which means the arrow will be on the left side. So only values that are less than negative 1 will be included here. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. So the question says, and the solve negative 1 is, so negative 1 is less than or equal to 2x plus 1 is less than 5 plus 1. So solving it and show your answer on a number line. So first thing we have to do is subtracting 1 from both sides. We have 3 sides right now. So for 1, 2, and 3. So the 1, negative 1 and negative 1. So the 2x plus 1 and negative 1 here, and then 5 minus 1. So negative 1 will be equal to negative 2 is more than or equal, less than or equal to 2x is less than 4. Now we have to divide 2 from both sides. So this divided by 2, this divided by 2, and this divided by 2. So negative 2 over 2 is equal to negative 1 is less than or equal to 2. X itself, 2 divided by 2 is x. And it is less than the 2. 4 over 2 is 2. So now we have to, we already showed the answer, which means we did the first part, solving it. Now we have to show it on a number line. So we have to draw from, just to draw in the number line here like this. Sorry. So this. So let's say this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and 4, and so on, and negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on, like this. So the first point here is negative 1. So x is more than negative 1. So which means we have to more than or equal, which means we have to color it. So negative 1 here, and we have to color it like this. So the second point is x as less than 2. So we have exact range from something to something. So 2 only less than, not equal. So only the point itself like this. So then we have to connect the 2 lines as we have the exact range. So from here to here, and that is the answer of it.